Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Part A, the acceleration vector is a of t equals x double prime of t, y double prime of t. Equals 2 cosine t. Taking second derivatives gives x double prime of t equals negative sine t times e to the cosine t, and y double prime of t equals negative 2. Is negative 1.683, so the acceleration vector is negative 1.444, negative 1.683. Plus 4 cosine square t. Solving the equation, square root of e to the 2 cosine t plus 4 cosine square t equals 1.5 for 0 less than or equal. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.